I know, my friends. Yes, this is sure that I know your Samsung Galaxy A12 smartphone is locked due to forgetted your PIN pattern and password lock with your fingerprint sensor, and your face lock is also not working in your Samsung Galaxy A12. And in this video, I am showing you a method to unlock any Samsung Galaxy smartphone like A12. For example, A12, A13, A13 5G, and also A20. And in this method, you can unlock any Samsung Galaxy A series. So hey guys, welcome again in my new and very amazing video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock Samsung smartphones Galaxy A series PIN pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your Samsung smartphone is completely locked due to forgetted your PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end, and your smartphone will be unlocked today 100%. So further in this video, I will also tell you how can you remove your Samsung Galaxy smartphone's PIN pattern password lock without any computer, without any software, without any PC, in just only 2 to 3 minutes. So watch this video properly till the end, and only then you will be able to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A series. So before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that you should your smartphone battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this video, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. So first of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cold mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A series by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use offline mode in your smartphone, and for this you have to swipe up and click on emergency call option here. After that, this is the emergency call option. You have to use a code to activate your offline mode in your smartphone, and this code is *0101 *8883 *67211 and ##, and you can take a screenshot. And I have repeated this code. *0101 *8883 *67211 ##, and you have to call this code for once time. When you click on call button, the code has been disappeared from your mobile screen, and your offline mode is will be activated in your smartphone. But after completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to activate your flight mode or airplane mode of your Samsung Galaxy A series. And for this, you have to click on back button here and swipe down here and click on flight mode, and your smartphone will be completed go to offline mode here. After that, your handset is completely go in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important step here. Now you have to open emergency call here, and you have to use a code to reset your smartphone's PIN pattern password lock, and this code is *#888 1 *56363 *121 ##, and this is the code. I have repeated this code *888 *56363 *121 ##, and you have to call this code for once time. After that, click on back button here and open the camera functions, camera option, and you have to go to video mode and record a 3-second short video here. 1, 2, 3, stop. After that you have to click on back button here and swipe to unlock, and you don't have your correct password, so click on emergency call option here, and after that you have to tap plus add emergency contacts and click on OK button here. After that click on emergency call option here and go to medical info to click to open. After that click on edit option here, and after that you have to use a default Samsung Galaxy A series password lock here, and this is 8523. Means firstly click on the emergency call option here, and I am telling you a default password here, and this is 8523, and you have to remember this code, and you can use it as a default password your Samsung smartphone. So click on the home button here, and this code is 8523, and you have to swipe up like 8523, and you can see that your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your Samsung Galaxy A series. So your mobile is completely unlocked, and in this way you can unlock any Samsung Galaxy A series. If your Samsung smartphone is still not unlocked, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply to your comment in just only 3 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.